Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you can receive awesome videos like this. Also, like this video if you found it very helpful.
I lost my best friend to 23. She left her body and hovered above me. I saw no shadow, I looked around, searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadow, but felt a glow. The warmth inside me, it kept me afloat. It felt like heaven had found my bones and gave me comfort when I feel alone. Now you're gone,